only went this video. Kawa me talk and share button sharing this video. Yesterday, history was made in Wahala by our own dear prophet Evangelist Ebuka Obi. A while ago. Now, somebody say now, no, Matthias bidolo maybe before Evangelist Ebuka Obi will be emulate. You know, now Matthias be hospital. Nanda, that is why in Jasina. Nanda a case of a butterfly na onwe yopana. Mokumbo Evangelist Ebuka Obi video project ya gas. Bo nka do no mweri. Mokumbo foundation project ya. Umbe Matthias kana eru mole kana agbo onu no ya hospital. Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebido go ebito. Mbaro Seraphic Hospital Lagos. Evangelist Ebuka Matthias o mano ye mechale hire rent yare 1 room or in the name of chemist. Now, the one that caught my attention, this guy is a critical thinker. Saying na for Evangelist Ebuka Obi governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodimma, Kobia launch area project. No go say the kind of person Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If una can da siche. Sometimes iche na nda nweruche. Ishopta na fe nweruche. So you a project in Imo State, or the executive governor of Imo State, Kobia may opening ceremony of that project. What does it have to do with personality of Hope Uzodimma or whatever differences in way with Hope Uzodimma? I am asking you, a developmental project, all governor ka governor biasanya gabaniru. Senator Hope Uzodimma be about that project or facility. Will change the fact that now thousands of lives will be touched from that facility. Does it change the fact that a lot of employment will be created by that facility? Does it change the fact that there will be economic contribution boost as a result of that facility? Why is it that now if I Ijepu Hope Uzodimma with the guest bia bape that facility. Ewotana kami ye pono say Evangelist Ebuka Obi dalo for having the interest of Igbo at heart. Kami ya say dalo more grace to your elbow. Jisike no nya se nya mewe gawaniru no na emo ofuma no nya se nya meludu ima no nya emo ofuma. Ono yagaria see Hope Uzodimma bia bopetete. I'm very happy for the fact that now most of you the shocked on ono mechi ono do kifeji super glue enyachi since oga azma no much noise malo because no na fugi ife na akpo oh my god Matthias afugo no ka Elena Matthias afugo no ka na amu Matthias afugo na ebo no ka very far of go na ebo no ka very far if they play in the show. Christianity is all about humanity. Christianity is all about humanity. I can show it to you everywhere. Against it when you for joy. Either you mad in a zoo, either a zoo in a tonto, either a tonto. Only for joy, one me preaching and yezi. Now on to the bone marrow. Where this guys you we mapota ngo sego olu ebube di chiche eji oka we na alo iye brakanesi. This is just one of them. Na ndo mechakwa na alo dey since kanokwe but Evangelist Ebuka Obi is changing the narrative. He is making another history. Share this video ka that boy na akpo critical thinker gbana na answer nya je mari for ye monwe onwere ife ndebe anyị na-asị na okwu adụrụ ebe anyị anọ wee kwue. What happened in Imo State yesterday anọrọ ebe anyị anọ wee kwue. Ife awụ ife onye ọna wụ onye so ife mere yesterday n'Imo State bụ ife onye ọna sịrị na ọdụmma ndị Igbo dị ya mma ịpụta merecha ya ife ihe ekwu Evangelist Ebuka Obi daalụ. This is what we are talking about. And this is what we mean when we say that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is changing the narrative. He's changing the story. This is what we call about Ndoka acting and behaving like government on their own. Matthias or you any of these things or you onye can just say onye mara only two way ebusia add to or the mandibo nyana add mana oyifi ye jimono maka iwolu he mo ono akpoputara nde mere nke ahi na idewela ahụ ni na-eme times 1000 so just say to Ala to one Ziobi Zion ministry changing the story and changing the narrative. Ana me check and they look at Father Webe and do to it. Ka Father Ugu pota no ono fold you me sure no ona you kuku na drop comment. Pota no bia kuku. I want all of you critics to come out and say something in educated moment of truth. I want you people to come and say something about what happened in Imo State yesterday. Ona you all you feel in a mesion. All you feel in a mesion. All you feel in a moon. Everybody no quiet. Everybody no do. Ma shock ono bosi meje ngopala. Me gosu li ife ya wono fucho na ase o etu aka ona ado. Hence o wono ife oma na so no nso. Onye ife oma na so nsa ya afi ife oma. So si fojo ke ya dafo. Ese na ogba agala ki ye jifilisi. Ogba agala ya bia begulu uno. Kale etu a. Esu go wan no.